Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Sultan Tio Jatinegoro from Yogyakarta State University, majoring in Automotive Engineering D4. I will explain about DOHC or SOHC in the engine selection. In this slide 2, I explain about at this time the engine that has a valve drive or valve trim is the most widely used machine, and this engine is divided into two types based on the valve opening system, namely SOHC and also the OHC. Both of these machines are still in production and development because they are considered to provide efficiency in use very large fuel and power. I explain about SOHC 2 valve. SOHC stands for single overhead camshaft, which is an engine that uses a camshaft or can be known as noken. So each cylinder has noken with two valves, namely intake valve, which has the function of sucking in a mixture of air and fuel into the combustion chamber, and the exhaust valve that function as sucking the remaining combustion into the exhaust. Explanation of SOHC on SOHC engine. Only use one camshaft to drive the rocker arm as the link between the noken as with the inlet and exhaust valves in each engine cylinder. This makes the SOHC engine has the efficiency of fuel reduction and the use of fewer moving parts compared to engine with two valves, making maintenance and production costs tend to be more affordable. But because this machine only uses one inlet valve and one exhaust valve, the amount of air entering is not optimal. This causes the engine power and rotation produced to have a lower peak point than the engine DOHC valve. In the slide 4, I explain about SOHC4 valve. Change in the rocker arm to branch into a SOHC engine can use two inlet valves and two outside valves. This engine is capable of producing the same power as a DOHC engine. Change in the path of the rocker arm into a branch make this SOHC engine can use two inlet valves and two exhaust valves. This engine is able to produce the same power as a DOHC engine for daily use, but the increasing number of valves make fuel consumption and power at lower tone less efficient compared to the use of one valve. Besides that the use rocker arm makes the engine unable to achieve a maximum RPM like the OC machine on competitive display. In the slide 5, I explain about the OAC. The OAC stands for Double Overhead Camshaft. It's a camshaft that has a double overhead or more. Clearly, that is a machine that has one pair of piston in the piston over two heads, so that the engine has four valves, where two valves to regulate fuel input and two valves to regulate the exhaust gas output towards the exhaust. And also on this type of engine used to exhaust, which are located on the cylinder. In the DAC engine, the airflow is further maximized by using two camshafts, control two inlet valve and two exhaust valve with the aim that the engine can produce high peak power and RPM compared to a single valve engine. Another advantage of this DAC engine is the absence of common rocker arm make the valve or valve response more maximal. But of this aspect that make the AC engine. The AC engine have high torque and peak RPM, and fuel consumption is more efficient at medium to high rotation compared to engine that use one valve. But the lack of this DAC engine is the use of material inefficient fuel and less responsive engine at low RPM. Because the engine has four valves, which in each of the valve a spring that must be pressed at every turn, plus other components such as two camshafts and gear that cause friction, which result in power requirement the higher to complete each cycle of this DAC engine. From this explanation, I conclude about the two engines were SOHC and DOHC, where for the DOHC engine it aims to get greater power, higher RPM and higher torque,
Whereas the SOH engine aims to get less moving part for efficiency, which makes maintenance and production costs more affordable.
Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.